I know this shit's so bright today. Like, what the heck? Good morning. Look at it now. It's almost Halloween season. Remember Goosebumps?
Yeah. I only saw it like once though.
You will full port the open. You will full port the open. Okay. It's a little bit better. Not as bright on my face. Not as bright on my face. Not as bright on the face. Goosebumps was great. What's good, Taylor? What's going on? It was great, right? Remember that shit? Dude, I love Halloween. I don't know why. I just love Halloween time. And me and my girl saw the new Conjuring movie over the weekend.
Mm-hmm.
Proof to you that I do go to the movies and I do watch TV here and there. We went and saw the Conjuring, the new one. It was all right. It was kind of subpar, honestly. But overall.
You know, I didn't growing up. My mom wouldn't let me go out and trick or treat or anything.
Really?
Yeah, I had to go to church, bro.
Oh man.
I used to be so mad.
You go to church instead of going trick or treating. They make you go to church.
Yeah.
Damn.
Because Halloween spirits and
Yeah,
evil
spirits.
and all that.
Ooh, evil.
Yeah, exactly. So that sucked for a little while.
Well, I love Halloween. I've always been a Halloween junkie. It's one of my favorite holidays. I don't know why. Maybe it's a white person thing.
I mean, Halloween is just. It looks fun. It looks fun, right? Like haunted houses and candy, and as a child, you get to dress up in costumes and be all goofy and shit, like run around in the neighborhood in the dark. Like, come on, man. Like, who wouldn't want to? Like, as a kid, come on, you know?
Yeah.
So I can understand why you would.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For sure. Oh shit. Where's the banner? I just realized this banner is wrong. Media assets. Where the fuck's the other one? Where's our overlay? Where'd it go? Huh. Well, good morning, everyone. We're letting people trickle in here. Trickle on in. Looking for what the fuck? I guess it's technically the last day of it anyway, so I'll have to change it. So fuck it. Good morning, Brian. Hard stops. You changed your name. I forgot what it was. I think it was Josh before. Hard stops. Okay. Taking hard stops.
I hate when people change their names because like when I used to play Call of Duty, I used to have a friends list and like people would change their username on Call of Duty and I just would not know who they were. It used to just frustrate me.
Sometimes you gotta hit the rebrand. Maybe hard stops is
The rebrand.
Futuristic Day Trader, Tanner and Austin talked about the new top one straight to funded account last Friday. We're going to find out more about it. I think that's released either today or tomorrow. When I know more details fully on it, I will definitely let you know. But they're going to be dope. Basically, you're going to get straight to funded on a 50K for $150 with my code, which is insane. The activation fee on any account for Top Step is $150 alone. You go straight to funded for $150, 50K account. So it's a pretty damn good deal. And you can trade, I think, up to like 6 of them or something like that. So it's a really, really good deal. I'll let you guys know when it's fully live, when I get confirmation of it. But for now, I don't believe it is. So I'll definitely keep you posted when it is. But good morning. All right, let's do it. Been almost about 5 minutes now since the open. What do we got? So this week, first of all, this week and next week. This week, I think it's going to be kind of slow. We have FOMC next week. We have no news today or tomorrow. I think we have PPI on Wednesday, CPI on Thursday, and then Michigan Consumer Sentiment on Friday. Correct me if I'm wrong. I believe that's the lineup for this week. So not a lot. Daily, what are we doing? We're still trading this fucking range, right? Boom, 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 boom. The focus today is going to, I have 2 levels actually I want to focus on this week. And the first one is this 800, which we're actually already kind of pushing through here at the open. But I want to see how this 800 is treated if we can hold this 800 area on pullbacks or anything, I have like a little zone basically from 770s, which is like the top of these close right here, these bars, up into pretty much just like kind of where we're pushing out of now, like 820s. So as long as we can kind of stay within this zone and hold it, that would be bullish to go back towards the upside. If we basically fail this right now and come back below 800 and 770s, I'm looking for this thing to go back down towards 650s. And then if that breaks, this thing is potentially going all the way back down towards, 500s and then maybe even 420s. So right now, going into the week, this is actually the main level I'm watching. I just don't want to trade it Monday first thing off the open. But this is the area. So let's kind of see how this digests over the next 30 minutes or so. If this can end up failing and get back below 800 and stay below there, I'm going to look for the short to basically just take out Asia lows and kind of come down here towards 700s. Like I said, that's my game plan for today. Really, really simple. Pretty straightforward. So I just want to take it slow. I want to see how we trade and how we digest Monday open. Obviously, nice little push here, looking pretty solid, getting through the 800, but 10 a.m. can come around and this could just die and dump and fail potentially. So I don't know. That's the focus. So 800 and down towards 650s, then 500s and 400s. Those are kind of the big levels. I went through my personal trading. I went through my own trading this weekend and broke it down. And one thing I definitely noticed is when I kind of I have these great levels. It's just I don't have the not most decent of an entry model on it. So I'm like, oh, okay, where's area of opportunity for me to work on? And this is something with coaching that we try to really focus on as well. Is like, where can you find one thing that you have opportunity to work on personally? And I still go through it too. Lawrence still goes through it. He looks through his data. He looks through his stuff. I look through my stuff. And I noticed for me, like a big thing was I have opportunity to work on this entry model around these great levels. I have these awesome levels, but like I need like a better, look for a higher low, look for something on a 2-minute chart, whatever it is. So that's kind of like my focus personally this week, is just to kind of get better at that entry model. So maybe all of you guys ask yourself, what is one thing that you can work on from your trading from last week, right? Hopefully you did review this weekend. If you didn't, use Sundays to do that, to kind of go back and look at your week, look at what was going on. On another note, we have our next group coaching session today at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time. I'll put the link in the chat here. That promo for the 20% off in the 14 days literally ends today. We will give you a chance to sign up before the group session if you want to check it out. You have nothing to risk, nothing to lose. Literally, it's going to be 2 free weeks of coaching for you at no cost. So all you got to do is sign up. Like I said, today's the last day of the promo. It ends today. And after that, the 20% off is gone. When the free trial might be fully gone too. We were doing a promo for Labor Day and that's it. We're not going to be this group that does promos every single week. We're not a prop firm. So that's not how we're operating. So when we do have promos, take advantage of it. That's all I can say. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and throw the link here in the chat. Have you guys check it out. 20% off. What's up with you, Lawrence? How are you?
Catching up. That's why I'm so quiet. I'm over here trying to do this my pre-market stuff, and I'm saying mark out, the 4 levels that I have, and I'm just trying to get my shit together. That's what happens when you oversleep or
Oversleep.
Yeah, oversleep. Yeah, is it oversleep? Overslept?
All right. Nuki, Rusty, JP, Mark. What about RTY? I haven't been watching RTY lately. I don't know. I haven't really been doing too much analysis on it. I've been focusing on NQ. Okay, here's that scenario I talked about. The overshoot. I like this now. We are retesting here. So I want to see us get back below this 800, stay below it. The problem is this is a really big bar. This could just be a retest also. So I want to wait a little bit longer. wait another 10 minutes or so, kind of let these bars digest. But this is exactly that scenario I talked about. Look at this pullback too, right to it, man. The retest of it, pretty beautiful. So now we got to see, does this digest the same? And we'll go from there.
Yep. All right, cool. I think I'm good.
All Gucci.
Yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
All right.
Yeah, I'm looking at I was looking at the hourly, and bro, we're going for highs again for sure.
Yeah, I mean, definitely that's what it looks like. We're bringing on this 800. Look at this daily chart too. Look at this bar. This big. This actually was just a giant doji on Friday, and we opened up at 650. Look at this, dude. This is actually really nice. The open from yesterday. What was it? This came down to 650 right here. Overshot it. Swept a little bit of liquidity, and then literally off to the fucking races, dude. This thing just sprinted.
Yeah.
It just went for it. So it's going. It is a going.
Yeah, that's just going to highs, bro.
Yeah, look at this ES candle now. Holy shit. Actually looks very similar to this, but look at this. Look at this 5-minute bar. It's trying to engulf all of it on ES. Put in a higher low here. It's pretty bullish so far.
But I'm gonna still wait till I'm gonna wait till after 10 still, because I mean ES is still in the range,
For
its
sure.
range.
Same. I don't like it up here. I want to let it digest. I think it's a smart thing to do. Clarity of price comes with time. Here's something you all can do real quick. If you're trading with Project X, lock your risk settings for the day. Go ahead and lock them out. So that way, no temptation to change any bullshit, right? That's it.
And the fact that you heard him say you got to do it now, because if you don't and you blow up, you're going to feel even more regret, because Tanner literally just said it.
Yeah.
Don't be that guy. Like, oh my God, he literally just said it.
Literally do it.
You
should do it actually before the session starts. That's going to be your best bet before you. But definitely before you take your first trade, it's always going to be actually you're more calm and collected, right? You're not going to be like, oh, well, no, maybe this will work. Maybe that'll work. Let's see.
Where did I? Oh, damn. I'll put that in the client's corner.
I saw that. I didn't know
mean
if that
to.
I didn't know if that was purposeful. You throw it in the other chat. What?
Yeah, I'm about to. Yeah. I was confused.
So far, pulling back, about to take out this high. Pretty bullish. Everything else, though, weak. RTY, weak. YM, weak. ES, strong. But definitely has some conflicting areas because this YM is weak. Let's see how she digests, ladies and gents. Let's see how she digests. Ooh, Apple has its event tomorrow. I just remembered that.
It's tomorrow.
Yeah, Apple, it's its event tomorrow. Hopefully it does something cool, bro, and doesn't like eat shit. I hope it just gets some like crazy reaction it's like never gotten from an event, and it fucking rips into the ceiling.
Where is it at now?
It's at 239.50s. My first scale out.
Very well.
It's holding, dude. Yesterday or on Friday, it barely pulled back at all when the whole market ate shit.
I saw.
I'm starting to like this a bit more here. I want to see us get back under 800 though. It's just like that's gonna have to be a pretty wide stop. That's what I don't like.
Have you been have you narrowed down what you wanted to use as your entry model, or are you still thinking about it?
Well, obviously some sort of higher low or a spring. It kind of just depends. Like that's the hard part. I'm definitely like not concrete with it, but it's like definitely get off this 30-second chart as much as I can, unless I have an overshoot of a level. I think that's kind of how I want to do it. Like if we overshoot a level on a 30-second chart and I can find a signal bar there, That for like a reclaim, that's a really that for me is cool. I'm down with that. But like this, for example, like, okay, is this going to be a higher low here? No, they just pulled it here. Big picture of the level, it's still above the level. I don't want to not look at that. But it's crazy. Everything else is dumping, dude. YM, RTY.
SPY starting to down. There's a divergence with SPY and NQ. I think
Yeah.
NQ is gonna. I think NQ is gonna go down, bro.
I know, me too. I think it's going to crack. I want to see it maybe get one more pop up through 850s, fail 850s, then come back down. That would be kind of a cool scenario. Let's see.
Okay, so let's see what everybody's talking about. Can you walk us through the back testing? What back testing looks like for y'all? Pretty much just go to TradingView, honestly. Like TradingView, I think has the best. Not TradingView. TradeZella. TradeZella has the best back testing software, so you can just go in there and I just use their back testing software. It's pretty solid. This pullback is a bit aggressive. I mean, it's the morning range, Nikki. So we're just still waiting. It's still establishing itself. What up, Vaughn? And only way Apple rips tomorrow is if they have some crazy news about AI. No one cares about hardware anymore.
That is true. That's 100% true. 100% true. Well, I'm hoping they've been lagging on the AI game. Yeah, if they come out with something, for sure. If they come out with something AI anything, and the algos recognize it and hear it, which obviously they will, it's off to the races. Would be so nice. That'd be so nice.
Vaughn locked out for today. Thank you, Lawrence, for fire advice last week. I'm chilling for a few days. Good shit, Vaughn. Appreciate that, man.
Good shit, man.
Because I was telling because he texted me, and he was pretty much saying how he pretty much had a couple of trading errors and he kind of like violated his rules, but he's still into green. And I was like, bro, go ahead and don't trade for like a cool 4 or 5 days because it's gonna come back around. Like that is guaranteed it's gonna come back around. Like because as soon as you lose a trade, your brain is automatically gonna remember, oh, I did this last time to get out of this situation. Let me try it again and try to get it out and get out of it.
Yeah.
So just go ahead and chill for a cool 4 or 5 days.
Yep.
And yeah, because I've done that a million times. I can't tell you how many times I've pulled that move. Revenge trade, get out green, and then the next red day try it again and blow up. I was notorious for that.
Absolutely. All right, so it's a nice little failure here, but still kind of waiting. I want to see 10 a.m. and see what we get.
Yeah, we're still in this range. I'm not doing anything until we break out of it.
Yeah, I'd honestly, I'd love to see an overshoot to 850s and then another failure 850s and try the short and see if we can really ride it lower potentially. But also, it's just like it's just holding this level so far too. So I'm like, 850s kind of sus. I do like this on the daily. You got 850 right here, which is kind of interesting. If you want to go to the highs of this bar, roughly. Right, something like this. It's actually coming into it right now, which is interesting.
Well, we're going to highs.
Yeah, so maybe it kind of overshoots this, comes back in, something like that. Ooh, YM with the big bounce candle and RTY. Very interesting. Very interesting here. Just being patient, chilling. Not a lot to work with still. This is a lot of uncertainty and a lot of lack of clarity.
Yeah, it's got a nice little bounce here.
Yeah, since the open, unless you took that opening drive, you're in this little 30-40 point range. Not a lot to work with. I'm gonna get rid of this. I don't really like this level though. It's not enough validity. It was weekly. It was a weekly chart. This is actually really interesting though. It's 900 zone. Look at these weekly bars, bro. This looks like this wants to just overtake this and go. And
yeah, for sure. Absolutely.
It really does.
Absolutely. It could happen today.
It can.
It can happen today. Yeah, for real. This week for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. I put in the Discord. I was just telling her. I just told everybody that we all know how no news Mondays can be. So just be patient.
Mhm,
If
mhm,
we chop around, don't jump in and out of. Do not jump in and out of trades, bro. If you jump in a trade, just go ahead and lose that one. It's much cheaper
mhm.
than trying to get it right and playing in trades. Because I used to be a victim of that too, bro. Like I would just place a trade, look at what's going on between my stop loss and take profit. I would jump out,
Mhm.
and because I think that it was an invalidator, and then I'll play the opposite, thinking I'm outsmarting the market, and then I just get whipsawed all the way down to a blown account.
Yeah, you know what's interesting? I remember you used to do that, and that was kind of part of your system for a bit. You stopped doing that completely.
Yeah,
I remember
yeah,
you used to do that. You used to be like, okay,
yeah,
and then I switch and go long or switch and go short. I remember
yeah,
that actually.
yeah.
That was always something I was like, all right. I'm like, well, he has a good read on price. I guess he can do it. But
Yeah,
but I always like
yeah.
low key be like, hey, I don't really like that much though.
Yeah, no, it wasn't good, bro. It was not good at all.
Shout out Luna in the house. What's good, brother?
It was
Group
good,
coaching call
man.
tonight. Yes, group coaching call
Yeah.
tonight. 6:30
Nice little
tonight
pop
is the
here.
night. Nice little pop here.
Broke out of
Yeah.
the range.
Nice little pop skis here. It did just break out of this range. I wonder if this could fail here. Here's that overshoot scenario I might be talking about. Let's see if this can fail. So far, just pretty bullish, though. It's kind of hard to short this.
Looking at SPY. SPY's still in that range.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, this could be the overshoot. I might try this short, bro, honestly.
Which, I mean, you just gonna jump in right now, or you got like some type of entry you want to hit it? You want a confirmation you want to
Well,
go
I'd,
for?
I'd probably want to see this fail completely. That's the thing.
Let's just take out that green bar.
Yeah, but if it's going to go, it's going to go fast. Let's see. I'm give it a second longer.
Rather you go to the 30-second chart and wait for 2 extra candles.
Yeah, like this, like a failure here, and then like a push back
Exactly.
down. Yeah,
Yes, exactly.
I see what you mean. So far, not really a lot to work with.
Hmm.
Also, just holding 850 actually as of now.
Yeah.
Let's see. They might just swiftly rip this 900 though. It's the problem.
Yeah, I would take my time if I were you on this. It just doesn't look. It doesn't look short like. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying? Like it doesn't. It doesn't look shorty.
yeah.
It does, it's up to
I
you, bro.
also want to see us fail 800. That's the problem. But it's like I feel like they would overshoot it like this, like do some accumulation, overshoot it. Now it kind of looks shorty.
Yeah, it does look a little shorty. It's up to you.
I like it a little bit more now. I'm still gonna wait a second. Those bar closes. Yeah, let's see. Is that just an overshoot, and they're just gonna reclaim this?
Mhm. I think for me, for that to be a short, we would
Mm.
have to break highs one more time and then have a immediate rejection, kind of like a sweep, basically to the upside
Yeah,
for me to go
yeah,
short on this.
yeah, for sure.
But right now, I think
Because
we
so
just have to
far,
pop
all this
higher.
is, yeah, all this is a structure here, basically, right? If you want to do this, like it's like this was resistance. Now it's potentially just holding this support. So it's like I
Yeah,
need to see a crack back under here, maybe a retest to 850s, and then a fail or
yeah,
something. Just
yeah,
hard when it's slow and grindy like this because it's like you get these whipsaw candles so much. You're like, okay, cool. Here's the move. Nope. Here's the move. Nope. Here's the move. Nope. You
yeah.
know. So
So at that point, it would just behoove everybody to, in those situations, to go to the higher time frame, like how he just switched to the 2 minute now,
yeah, exactly.
possibly even like the 5 minute.
Yeah, 3 minute. I like 3 minutes sometimes.
Yeah, the 3 minute is just the oddball. It's a little oddball that give you like a different
It
kind of perspective
is.
a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, so far, there's really nothing up here.
Pulling back NASDAQ. Yeah, that's what I was saying, Jay. Like I feel like it's SPY. I feel like I feel like NQ might actually dump because SPY. It's like a divergence. So like if SPY goes down, I don't know. But SPY look like it's trying to catch up.
Yeah,
It was
well,
trying to pump a little bit.
YM is really strong right now, or not really strong, but it's like it has a really good reversal signal right now for YM. I like YM a lot actually right here, but I can't even take it on this account. It's not. I don't have the data for it. The ICT boys would tell you we're inside a 1 hour bearish fair value gap. Haha. I'll look at it. I'm not, even though I talk shit on it, like it's like I try to understand. Okay, so the 1 hour fair, yeah, so the 1 hour bearish fair value gap, what would be like here? It'd be here. You'd have to reject here. So it's like now we're not, right? We're actually out of that. We broke through. So yeah, so far it's just pushing up. I wonder if this is going to go to prior day high, and then is it going to be one of those Mondays where it just kind of swiftly just cruises up? If it is, I'm just going to fucking practice so hard being patient, because so far I like it.
Black boy Lawrence. My name's spelled with an E, bro. Lawrence. I think this thing of one trade a day is a game changer. Absolutely. Absolutely. Yep. It is. It really is.
Christine, favorite word of the day alert: behove.
Behoove.
Behoove.
Yeah, you never heard people use behoove. Like I used to have this teacher I used to have this teacher in high school. He would just use behoove so much. Like if he ever used behoove, that means you probably need to stop before I get on your ass. Like he'll say,
It's like behave or what?
No, behoove is
What
like
does
in
it
your
mean?
best interest. It's like, Tanner, I
Interesting.
would behoove you to stop talking right now. Like,
Okay.
Mr. Briscoe, it will behoove you to stop talking in class right now before you go to the principal's office. Something like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So it's kind of like a little, it's an underline for like, bro, you better stop before I
Got
get
it.
on your
Okay.
ass.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fair.
Yeah.
It reminds me of I used to do word of the day in college with one of my roommates. Is like, he used to be, well, he kind of still is, I guess, but I obviously don't live with him anymore. He's definitely autistic or he's something on the spectrum. But this guy could like something. He's like he's something on
He's
the
on
spectrum.
there. He's on
there. He's on there, like fucking Rain Man shit. Dude, this guy, like, he had his thing where you could say any word, and he'll tell you how many.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. But this might be the short that you were looking for.
I know.
But yeah,
You're right.
I mean, don't rush it.
Like
But
yeah, let's see the 850 retest. Let's see the 850 retest here. But no,
okay,
I appreciate the heads up.
Yeah,
he had this party trick where basically he could I know I kind of do like this. Let's see if we fail 850 here.
Go to the 1 minute.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's kind of nice.
Yeah. It's either going to fail or this is a retest, but I think it might fail because SPY is still in that fucking range, bro.
I know it's still in the range, but SPY's retesting VWAP right now. I don't know. I want to wait till a little bit after 10 today. I feel like there's a dump.
Yeah. I mean, you can still size down and get in.
I just don't have a level right here. 877. I just don't really like that.
That's cool.
I'd rather just miss it, dude. I don't have a level here. It doesn't make as much sense. I like the 850, but again, this could just be a pullback to 850 again and hold. This could just go higher.
Yeah, definitely. Like on your 1 hour chart, I think we're definitely going to take those highs. What was that previous day high on your hourly chart? Yeah. I think we're going to take that.
Or this could just be a low.
Exactly. That's liquidity.
High.
Yeah, that's just a little bit of liquidity. They're going to bring it down a little bit and then reach a new
this
high.
bullshit though, dude? What about this SMT?
You know what's crazy?
What about the SMT, bro?
Bro, I don't trust the little down. I don't like the little downward SMTs. I don't trust those. I need the higher high.
You need the ones that this way. Okay, that's fair.
Yeah, like if we're going long, I need a higher high SMT. If we're going short, I need a lower low S&T. I don't like the little.
Okay.
I don't like that shit.
Okay, fair enough. Here comes that pushback down. Just not a lot to work with, dude. Like, I'm like, if we get a retest of 800 in VWAP, that would be a good attempt. Actually, I like that long for sure.
Mm-hmm.
For sure. Let's see. May I ask for tips on VWAP anchors for the start of the week? I don't use actually any of the anchored VWAPs, so personally, I don't have a tip for you on that. I just use the standard VWAP, the 24-hour, and I use the New York VWAP. Those are the only two I personally use. That's all I need with my strategy. I don't need 700 VWAPs on my screen. Not to say they don't work, but it's just something like I personally don't use. So
yeah, I think this is the dump.
Might be. Let's see if we can get one more like pullback here and then a fail or something. See this no, so to me this looks like oh no, I'm just gonna wait, dude. I need key levels or VWAP or volume point of control. None of this, like this is too arbitrary for me. Try to be systematic as fuck. Trying to be disciplined this week. I really, really want to dig myself out of drawdown on this account. So let's see how we treat this.
Broke out of that range.
Yeah, here is New York VWAP, the retest. I'd love to see a test to 800 here. If we can get a retest of this and this can hold, I'd like this long a lot. Or does this just hold New York VWAP here? Basically reversing right at 10 a.m. reversal time.
Like I said, that previous day high looked good, bro.
I know it does. But let's see. I do like this retest of VWAP here. This is pretty good. This is decent. Trying to reclaim 6,500 on ES. Let's see, can they do that or not?
Like if I take the long, I'm definitely probably going to go for 900s, bro.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's only 50
Yeah.
points. It's not even a lot.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
know,
I'm
when you think
definitely
about
going
it, it's
for that.
actually not even a lot. It's only 50 points.
Yeah.
How's the 15 look? It's not terrible. No, it's Monday morning, dude. I'm just so not like aggressive right now. It's fine. I don't feel like I need to be in this action on a day like today. Yeah. How come my VWAP is way lower? Yeah, zoom out on the screen. Sometimes it does that. Maybe like this. Like it like fixes itself depending where it is. God, this is a nice
long, bro.
I know it's a nice retest of New York VWAP, dude. It is pretty nice so far.
I'm just trying to wait for my entry model, but I kind of want to. I really want to go ahead and clear it at 854 and then just let it ride. But I'm gonna wait for my entry model.
Yeah, let's see how this 5-minute bar shapes up here. I like this too, bro. I'm in.
Yeah, bro. I understand.
I'm in.
I gotta wait for my entry. I gotta wait for my model.
I'm taking it. I'm taking it.
I understand.
There's a really nice bounce off New York VWAP. Can she follow through though? That's the question. I got enough to work with now, at least. Just gonna wipe this. Are they going to wipe it? It's a really nice hammer on the 5-minute. But if they negate the wick, it's donezo. Retest the 6,500 here on ES. Nice. I think I want to add to this, dude.
I understand. I do. I just had to.
want to see
I
it
just
get
had
a
to.
little more.
I'm not here to make money. I need to execute my system.
Order
I need to
filled.
be able to. I need to be able to take a screenshot, look at it, and be like, I did right.
Mm-hmm. This is like too clean on the 5-minute for me not to try. This is right off New York view up.
No, the whole thing looks good, brother.
Through the levels.
The whole thing looks good, honestly.
Let's take out prior day high here. See if we can do it. What if they do the big plot twist and just rip this straight to all-time highs on the Monday? No news.
I mean, that's what I'm damn near banking on a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. Let me see, how far are we?
We're not far, dude. All-time highs are 24,068s.
Yeah, like exactly. I'm looking at it like, yeah, like that can happen. That can happen today.
That can happen. Ooh, ES looks good reclaiming view up here. This is just a patience one, I guess.
Mhm.
I guess the action's already been like this the whole time, so why wouldn't it continue type deal? And again, we're through the level. We're above this VWAP. We retested New York VWAP here. It held so far. Can this retake out the highs, though? That's what we need. That's what we need, my friends.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
Luna said he's in long eval.
Okay.
What up, Nikki? I'm with Lawrence on this one. What did I say? I don't even know what I said. I don't got a setup.
Maybe
Yeah,
go.
facts.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but bro, I probably still should have took it just because, but I just don't want any regrets. I figured out that's like my trigger, like for emotional trading is like regretting something.
Mm-hmm.
Like I wouldn't regret missing this move because my setup isn't finished, but I will regret
This is
losing this trade.
It's just slow, but this is my setup. A pullback to view up, and it's been holding view up all morning. I got to take it. And ES just got the reversal signal I looked for. This is like a confluence play. I like this. I got to attempt this into 900, basically, is the idea. Need to attempt it into 900. Slow.
Mm-hmm.
Slow. Oh, look who showed up.
Who?
Know It All Paris. Welcome back, dude. Can't stay away.
What's going to happen today?
What's going to happen today? Where's the crystal ball, bro?
Oracle.
Oracle. The Oracle.
It is not the spoon that bends, but it is yourself.
No. Oh man, this needs to go though. I don't like how slow this is. I do not like how slow it is.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I'm here to execute my plan. This is fire. Yeah, bro. That's what I'm here for. I just really figured out how my mind works, bro. I can't do anything that I'll regret. I hate regret. I don't do the regret thing, so I definitely just have to wait.
They're really fighting here, dude.
Taking
So I
that
don't
money.
like.
Where's your stop at?
It's right below the
824. It's not
VWAP.
bad.
Yeah, it's right below VWAP. I'm just sure we get one more pullback to this VWAP. That's what I'm kind of like. I don't like.
I think you're good.
I don't know. It's really struggling here with this 860, this lower high.
Nucky trades. Yeah, I just like to journal everything. What's dumb is I took an entry off the 5-minute order, but closed early because price was scaring me. Took a $10 loss, but missed the whole move. At that point, Nucky, you need to ask yourself what made you scared just now? Like, what made you scared? And then you need to study that.
I don't like this, dude. I don't know if this is gonna work. This is just so slow, bro.
Give it some time.
I'm gonna give it time.
Yeah,
It
there
might
you
just be
go.
one. It might just be one of those, or just really, really slow.
Yeah, give it a little bit of time. Let it do its thing. I just need a little bit of consolidation before his next power move up.
Yeah, I guess structurally, I mean, that's what it did. It overshot this 850, reclaimed it real quick. Now we should kind of hold this low of like 43s ish. If it's going to continue with that type of trend, or it's just going to fail here and again come all the way back down to 800s.
What's YM looking like?
YM's reversing pretty nicely here. It looks pretty good. See, I don't like this, bro. I don't like this at all. I don't like this
Yeah.
at all, man.
That's what I was saying. That sweep tell you when they're lying, the entry model tell you when they're done. That's why I had to wait. I had to wait for my entry model because that shit saves me from stuff like this. And it still might go. It still might continue, but it allows me to not fade the digestion as much.
Yeah.
And get my mind going.
I don't know if this. I mean, if this does fail, I took my pullback to view off setup. That's what I got to keep reminding myself. Like I took my setup.
Yeah, you're good. I mean, I think it still has a good chance of going, bro. It's just digesting right now. It's just doing its thing. Or it might just either way, it doesn't matter, honestly. It's one trade.
Yeah, I know.
None of this matters.
I just feel like this wants to come back to one more extreme first. And now this lower high. I really don't like this lower high, bro.
This dude is finished already. Oh my god. This dude Scarface just made 6,500 in 20 minutes, bro. Like, how are you finished? You're like, what are you? Is he on the 30-second chart? Like, oh my god.
Yeah, I don't know.
How are you done already?
This thing's battling the 50s now.
I still like the longs, honestly, until it proves me wrong.
Yeah, just I don't know, man. I don't like that lower high. Like this should have already gone.
I mean, probably not. I mean, it depends.
I dislike this. I dislike it, my
I dislike
friend.
this.
I dislike it. I really dislike it. It's gonna take me out, bro. Because it wants a lower VWAP. I think it wants this VWAP, and then it's gonna go. I really think that's what it wants, bro. Yeah, these fucking guys are gonna do that to me. Or we hold 6,500 here on ES. It's gonna be the only way. It's actually decent here at the 6,500 holding on ES or trying to hold.
JP said it's going to hit prior day high. I feel it in my crystal ball. My crystal balls. He's stupid, yeah.
Crystal balls.
I didn't see the S.
Yeah, that's gonna take me out, dude.
Luna said, I'm always jelly of people who just trade the newsprints and opens. Not jelly. Yeah. Yeah, he definitely does that.
Yeah, this is
He's
bad.
like the #1 day trader in Canada.
This is cooked, dude. I know it's cooked. There's no way this holds. I almost just want to exit here early.
As long as you want to do that.
I don't know. You're right.
How much are you risking?
495. If I cut it here, I lose 300 instead.
That was a bit aggressive for you. You
Well,
normally
'cause
do like 200
I know.
or
Well, because I
250.
didn't get a good. I waited on my entry. I waited too long. Some problem.
You said you waited too long?
Yeah, like I should have. If I was going to get this tighter entry, it had to be entered down here. I love this retest at 800 down here, dude. That's what I want.
Like you said, Scarface is solid. Yeah, he's definitely, yeah, for sure. Like I fuck with anybody who really shows their receipts on a
Order
daily.
filled.
Fucking exactly.
Just gonna sweep that then pop.
No, it's gonna come down to 800 and fucking. Oh my god, this is gonna be so fucking annoying, dude.
Yeah, it might continue to go down because I don't see any trades right now.
Just so fucking slow.
Maybe like going back into the range, like when price went back into the range the second time, that was like a high probability short
Yeah.
for sure. Then high stop at the high day. Yeah, that would have been a nice, yeah. I didn't see it till now.
Yeah, that would have been better.
Went back into the range 2 times. Yeah. That shows weakness. Weakness, my friend. Johnny, been a tough last week for you guys. I, yeah, it's
For
been a
me,
little.
I've been getting smoked, dude.
Yeah, I mean, I was break even last week. I was break even last week. I was up
My
$61.
options the only thing keeping me alive right now, dude. Fucking ugh.
Yeah. Yeah, last week, I mean, I've had like I haven't had a red week yet. Maybe like the end of July, I think I had a red week, maybe, I think. But I haven't had a red week since July. So I can't really say it's been too tough for me. Market conditions have been a little, yeah, market conditions have been a little tough.
All right, let's see if we can get this retest of VWAP here. Can it hold? Because if we do, I'm going to go for it.
Oh no, you know what's crazy? I can't articulate it and I can't explain it, but deep down, I kind of feel like this is a no trade day for me. Like I'm gonna give it maybe like another 20 minutes,
That's how
but I
I
kind of
felt
feel.
kind of earlier until I attempted this. I had, I had emotion I had slip in. I had your setups there, you're not executing it, you need to try it. And I like saw that happen to me 2 or 3 times last week where I just was like kind of nervous to take it, and then I watched it play out.
Mhm.
So I'm like, fuck, dude. That's why I took that pullback to VWAP. I was like, all right, well, I'm gonna try it. And I had a decent signal and just unfortunately made a lower high and then failed. So
Yeah, I mean that was a good try.
yeah, it's a good try. I shouldn't have added to it. I think that was the problem.
I probably the ad would have been good if we would have broke high day.
Broke
That probably
highs.
would have been a
Yeah.
good, yeah, and then would have
Yeah.
went straight to previous day highs or all time highs.
Yeah. Yeah. Probably.
But I do know that you like to add early on to keep your risk minimized. But I think with a little
Yeah.
bit more confirmation, it may be worth the price. I think like it
Yeah.
may be worth the price. Like if you got to pay for more confirmation, sometimes it may be worth it.
Yeah. All right, let's see here. Here comes 800 in VWAP. Can we get an overshoot of it? And then some sort of signal down here. That's what I need.
Luna, same decision for me today. No funded trades. MES is barcoding. Brian, no trade day starting to look like the real move. ES hasn't done anything worth taking. Johnny, yeah, no trade day so far. 14-point range on ES with no conviction to either side. And then J Car, another pullback to VWAP play. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I'm still long biased, bro, but I don't see anything just yet. It's either no trade day if you don't want to wait, but if you do want to wait, there may not be a trade for at least another, at least I would say like 10:30, between 10:30 and 11:30, you would have to wait. But it's been like that for the since September. I've noticed that like because in August, I looked at my stats. I normally take my trades around 10:30-ish, but then in September, I would take September last week, I had taken an impulsive trade around 10:30-ish because I thought that was like around the time. And that
Yeah.
kind of skewed the way I looked at things. But the actual play of the day didn't happen until 11:30. Like a lot of my trades didn't present until like 10:45 to 11:30 the past week.
Yeah.
So this might actually be a thing when it comes to September. Like I might just have to wait till like 11:30 type, or just not trade.
Yeah, it's tough, dude. This action just sucked. Fucking slow and tough. I want to see one more push down into here, retest this level, overshoot VWAP, reclaim it. I hate these little like right before it because that isn't VWAP actually. It's down here.
Paris said I wouldn't take a buy entry there yet. Take the buy entry. Everybody take
know,
it. If he said it, take the buy entry.
Literally.
Take the buy entry.
It's so funny how like some people are just like they know it all. This dude in the comments, this guy's ultimate know it all. Look at this. I'm about to sell. My buy entry is here. This thing is definitely coming down. I wouldn't take a buy entry there yet. This guy thinks he knows everything, bro. Oh my god, there's some clowns in the trading space, dude. It's pretty funny.
He said, "Do y'all want to bet then? Bet what?
No, you're betting. You already are betting, bro. You're gonna wait for and you're gonna take your entry when you take it. You're betting. You're betting it with the market. I don't need a side bet with a random on YouTube. How have you lost half the account on live so fast? You obviously haven't been here the past 2 weeks. I've been getting my ass kicked, bro. That's how. It's been a rough 2 weeks. It's been the toughest 2 weeks. Toughest 2 weeks for me I've dealt with this year. So that's how.
Goodness, what is wrong with that guy?
JP Hannibal, do you have a Signal Discord you run so I can stay the hell away from it? Shout out JP. Oh,
This looks like a good long about to happen here.
Thanks, Rizwan. Appreciate you. Yeah, I had a, well, it's crazy. I posted about this also. I made $11,000 trading options the past 2 weeks. So it's like, it's such a weird feeling because yeah, this account, I've been getting my fucking ass handed to me. It sucks. That's not a good feeling. But I happen to catch some insane monster option plays. So like overall, I'm up money. And technically,
Real money. Real
yeah,
money.
yeah. And technically, this live funded account, like it's the firm's account. It's not mine. So it's like obviously, I'm not trying to treat it like that. But it's like when you get down to the core of it, I'm like, my own bank account hasn't lost any money. It's only gained $11,000. So I don't know. It's a weird feeling. All right, Paris, you're kind of saving yourself. I like y'all. Y'all are really dope. LOL. Okay, we'll give you a little bit. Just
He really want to save himself too.
And just yeah, I know. Just calm down.
Because why didn't he lead with this? Why didn't he lead with that?
I know.
Let me find out you a troll, bro. And then try to take it back.
Oh man. It's okay. Man, I just might miss this completely now. Part of me feels like this might hold. Reclaiming 6,500 on ES here. Oh, dude. I'm in.
Order filled.
No. Hannibal said don't buy here.
I could be wrong. I'm in though.
Hannibal said don't buy here, bro.
I love this reclaim of 6,500.
Paris said don't do it.
Reclaim of 6,500 on ES. Big push. Wow.
Bro, Paris said don't do it, bro. He said don't buy. What are you doing? Why are you buying, bro?
Actually,
look at ES. Look at ES, bro. Why would we, man, bro? This man Paris Hannibal got the crystal ball, bro. Look at ES.
Don't jinx this now. That was a big push on volume, though. I like that. Let's see if this can sustain. And
hey, look, bro. If it would have went down, I told you so. If it went up, well, this has potential to go up. Like,
yeah.
This guy's the Black Jim Cramer.
The Black Jim Cramer.
Yeah, Cramer.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Nice push here so far. Let's get back to prior day high. I wonder if we can go through prior day high. That's the real question. Can we get through prior day high? That's the real question.
He said, I think I'm going to fade Paris tomorrow. Oh my gosh.
We all have
fun. Do not follow his signals.
It's all fun.
Bro said, I would not buy here. This shit is going to the moon. Hey, bro. Bro said, do not buy here. This shit about to hit all-time highs.
Dude, wait, should I hold it for all-time highs just to prove Paris wrong?
Bro, this dude said, don't buy here. This shit going to all-time highs, bro. That is hilarious. Go to the 1 hour chart. Let me see what all-time highs is. Go to the 1 hour chart. Oh my goodness. Hell yeah. What the fuck?
No. All-time highs is way up here.
No.
Yeah. No.
I was about to say, yeah, previous day high for sure. There's nothing in the way. There's literally nothing in the way. All right, Nikki. Take care, bro.
Peace, Nikki.
Hannibal Kramer.
Hannibal Kramer. The question is, how can I add to this? I only got $300 of risk. Can I add one here?
You don't.
I know. I don't think I do. I do. I'm gonna add
Order
one.
filled.
Yeah, I got $320 of risk technically. I added one. I can scale out some into that prior day high. Here we go. Here comes prior day high. What else do we have to work with if we get through prior day high? That's the real question. What is this? 924s. That's a decent spot. I like that. 924. Push it. Rip stick. Rip stick it. This is a good hourly. How's the 30-minute look actually? Look at this 30, bro. Pretty nice 30 here. All right, buyers, step back in. Come on. Push it. Push it. Watch this.
Push it to the limit. I push and I push. Ooh.
Okay. Can this thing just fucking go?
No
Please.
trade day. No trade day. Everybody, chat. No trade day.
No trade day for you?
I mean, no entry model. No opportunity to get in. Really. I mean. I mean, there was. I guess I did miss it. If anything, it was just that lower low. That lower low inside the range. That probably should have been the trigger. Yeah, that definitely was the trigger. But I wasn't. I had to zoom out to see that. I was looking too close. Everybody missed that. You even missed that. You don't miss those.
Yeah, I know. Well, the thing is, I was waiting for a VWAP down here, and it's so crazy. I wish I could show you my other screen. Like, I guess I could pull it up. My other screen, I have this little box zone that I've been watching. And all right, should I be a good trader and cover some into prior day high, or should I go for 924s? I kind of want to go for 924s.
I mean, because where your stop loss is technically where the entry is. That's technically.
Sure.
I think above that green bar on your stop loss was like a perfect entry, but I just didn't see it. I just didn't look at it like that. I was just. That's how you know bias is real, because once we saw that dump a little bit, we just automatically assumed it was short for the day, but we didn't even see that this was a possible, little sweep or whatever you want to call that, and then a spring, whatever.
Spring and ding ding. Ugly rejection right through the highs here. Wow. Really ugly rejection here. Come on, dude. Just hold this and go to prior day high at least.
Then the sweep of the high, tap high a day, and then a crazy sell off.
Hope not. Check this out. Watch this.
Push it to the limit.
Look at this. Look at this. I have this little box zone I drew yesterday. Look how it came down to it and retested it perfectly. I drew this last night. Basically, like anything that gets above here, I want to see it stay above here. And it's pretty wild. It came down and retested it like perfectly. I'm like, damn, okay, that's pretty bullish. I got it. And then VWAP, it's like it didn't fully touch it, but like sometimes it happens, dude. Like it's like with these double VWAPs, you might not get the full touch. And this, as it kind of keeps going, it actually might line up with this a little bit better. So
is that your supply zone turn demand zone?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah, you could look at it like that. This was kind of just like, this was like my caution area for shorts. I was looking for shorts in here initially, but now that we're above it again, like it's like this should kind of just come seek this out and continue higher. I just hate this little sweep of the high here that barely swept. A really big candle like this, that can be a trap, but just gonna have to wait and see at this point.
So Ina said, not trying to be mean, but why didn't you close most of your positions on the nights on the rights
Right to
on
secure
the
profit.
nights on the
Heights.
highs
Okay.
because there was nothing in the way of to get to previous day high. Like, yeah, I mean, you could
Yeah.
have, but it's just like there was nothing in the way to get it. Like, if you look on the hourly chart, look at previous day high. There's nothing, you know, there's nothing there stopping price from going. I mean, it could fail, but it's all probability. So, I mean, I would have held too, or I would hold too. Honestly, there's nothing in the way.
Yeah, I'm not gonna close this here. It doesn't make sense. I'm gonna
Yeah,
let
I
it.
mean, we don't. The
Breathe
goal
a
isn't
little
really
bit.
to operate out of. The goal isn't really to operate out of like scarcity or like money. You know what I'm saying? Like we kind of like that's the whole point of me and Tanner. We trade differently, but we have the same concept. We let our winners run. Like we
Mhm.
let our winners run. We let the shit go. You know. So
Yeah, agreed. That's why. So yeah, you guys can see this little zone that I've been.
but you did say, I'm sorry to interrupt you, but you did say I should trim here, but let me look at the hourly chart, and we looked at it and there was nothing in the way.
Yeah.
But you did mention it though. So we wasn't a complete degenerate.
Yeah. What do you use to look at more charts? Is it free? This is Thinkorswim. So Thinkorswim is a broker. You need to have an account with them. But all their data and stuff is free. So I've just used it forever. This is my boomer thing. This is my old school boomer thing. I just like using Thinkorswim.
Option days,
baby. Yeah. Look at all my lines down here. It's fucking insane. This is where my
I was about
levels
to ask you about that.
all my levels come from. So on the daily it looks crazy, but when you zoom into the 5-minute, and you see them come and test them, it doesn't look as psycho. But we'll bring up the other chart now.
You want to talk about the matrix, the little green and shit numbers coming down off the screen?
I know, right? Literally. The matrix.
I think my entry model is coming up here.
Yeah. Well, let's go. Let me see if I can find it. Okay. So right here, it kind of looks like it. This little hold right here, but maybe it's not enough. You need a couple candles.
Yeah. You got the eyes.
I got the eyes. I know what to look for.
Yeah, just one more leg down. Just a clear leg down.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Let's see if she holds. If YM gets through VWAP here, this will be really good for everything.
I have to pee, man.
Well, either get long and go piss or miss it.
Or don't piss.
Or don't
piss or pee while I'm sitting.
But that's what you want to do. Keep going. Let me put some alerts so you can hear some dings going off.
Get some dopamine.
Give me some dopamine.
Give me the reward of the dopamine.
Give me the reward center.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the scary part about my entry model. This shit just might take off and not even finish.
I know. I think I'm gonna go for 925s, bro. Yeah, because it's full. Let me look at the 4-hour, dude. Target wise, it just like once we get up into here. Once we get up into here, look, I got 928 right here. This liquidity area, 925. That's what I'm looking for. But then really, it's like 930s. It might chop around here around 930s, 940s, 950s. Or maybe it does go to all-time highs, dude. On the Monday. Maybe it does. I don't fucking know.
How far is all-time highs? What is it?
It's gonna be
or something.
Yeah, 24,068 is what I got here.
24,068.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, it could. I mean, but I don't know. I don't know if it will.
Let's see. Is the first week of 4M fully free, or is it when you pay for the month? No, it's free, dude. You literally can join the Discord. We have a coaching session today. 2 weeks for free. We do sessions every Monday. So you have a session today, you have a session next Monday, completely for free. You don't like it, you cancel the trial.
Yeah.
Literally,
Oh, we do have
you don't
we
gotta
have
pay
about
for it.
200. We got about 240 people in here. So just a reminder, we are having a group coaching session tonight about self-control. Basically, why you know what you shouldn't do, but you do it anyway. So we all know that we're not supposed to over leverage. We all know we're not supposed to over trade, revenge trade, but we can't help but to do it. So that's a discussion that we're going to be talking about tonight, and pretty much how to help you out with that. So if you're interested, I'm gonna put the link in the bio. I mean, sorry, the bio. I'm gonna put the link in the
Lincoln buy
comment
it.
section. Yeah, right. I'm gonna put the link in the comment section. We're doing 20% off, right? And then 2 weeks free. So you get 2 free coaching sessions, and then you get 2 free weeks in our Discord with all of our resources and with the gang. So there's absolutely no risk for you, to you, for
Amen.
you. And the coaching call is tonight.
Man, this thing is just really just digesting.
Mhm.
RTY pushing into VWAP. YM's trying to digest through VWAP. It's trying. ES pushing the highs. That move on ES was just kind of telling. That reclaim of 6,500 was really nice. That's when I saw that. That was like my confidence to take this because I was watching this. I saw this basically on my other screen right here. This fucking rip right here through 65. I was like, oh, that's like an overshoot reclaim through high day. That looks good. This 65 right here. What time is it at? 11:30-ish. Got time on your side. Clarity of price comes with time. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Let's go. There's a ding. You hear a ding? You all heard the ding. Ding-a-ling-ling.
I could have entered. I just didn't like it. I don't know, Chad. I could have entered it. I just didn't like it. I didn't like it.
I don't
You know what
blame
I'm
you.
saying?
I don't
Like, is
blame
it
you,
just
bro.
me?
I don't blame you.
I don't know. I just didn't like it. It didn't give me what I needed.
Keep going. Prior day high is right there. Right there.
Yeah, no, I can't do it.
Yeah, I know. Well, now it's like, what are you going to target, right? You got a lot of resistance coming up here. Man, this was such a nice setup. Let's pull back here. Right to my zone, right to VWAP. Look at that. Look at that, dude. Wow. Dopamine ding. Let's get some more of those. Let's get some more. Let me put some more dings up here. Dopamine ding. It actually is a dopamine ding because I only use those alerts for when I'm like either waiting for a level to be tested on Thinkorswim or indicating it's going higher and maybe I'm not watching it or something. Let's see, J Bulls. Only entry now is pull back to pre-market high on SPY. Yeah, probably something like that. Probably something like that.
I don't know, bro. Something feels.
There's nothing, dude. There's nothing wrong with you've been really good about not doing it already. So don't FOMO into it if that's how you
No,
feel.
no, it's not the FOMO thing. I'm not FOMO. I don't feel that at all. I'm just trying to figure out if this is scammy or not. Like if the market
I
is being
know.
fraudulent or if it's really about to go. Like, cause I just feel it's giving scammy right now.
Yeah, I will say the closer we get to 11 a.m. and it's like kind of confirming the trend, I feel like it's probably just going to slowly grind up and it's going to be one of those where everyone's like, okay, a grindy Monday, you know, that type of deal. If we can get to 11 a.m. and close above priority high, that would be more confidence. Does it go all the way to all-time highs and you get another 100 and 50 points out of it. I don't know about that. I'm not banking on that. I'm not even going to try. I'm just, if we get 925s here, I'm going to take my small green day and just be happy I'm fucking green for once in the past 2 weeks. So we'll see.
I think I'm gonna go to the higher time frame, honestly.
Yeah, let's zoom out. Let's zoom out. 15 looks decent here still. Closed above all these candles. This bar was really nice. This pullback and sweep this low and then close higher here. That looks really, really good. How about the 30? 30 similar. Same idea. Really, same idea.
What y'all think? Does this feel scammy? Does this feel like, untrustworthy? I don't know.
Could be. Kyle, what's good? What's good, bro? No idea who
There's
you
a
are,
nice
but what's
little
good?
pullback here,
What's good, man?
but I don't like the location. I'm gonna just call this a no trade day. I'm not about to sit here and try to figure this thing out. It's over with. I think it's scammy. I think that it might go. It might go, but I don't like the way it's going. If it
All
does
right.
go,
Well, if that's true,
yeah.
pull up your screen and lock it out.
I'm gonna wait a second.
Ah, there it is.
I'm gonna wait a second. I'm gonna wait a second. But I'm leaning towards not trading. But I'm gonna wait a second.
That's fair. That's fair. I'm just giving you shit. You've already sat here and just been able to control yourself, which is good. We are pushing through VWAP and YM. That's nice, and on RTY. That's also nice. Just if all the markets get into sync here, team push. See if we can get a team push through prior day high and give us this push to 924s. I'm bullish on Baba, bro.
I don't think.
Slow and grindy. Slow and grindy.
Let me use the bathroom real quick, bro. I'll be right back.
Go, do it. Keep us on the headphones. Just kidding. Fuck Baba. I do actually. Baba's like my number one. Oh damn, you've been sitting on that for a minute, bro. God bless you. I lost, I think, like $10,000 trying to buy Baba options like years and years ago. Trying to be like, oh, okay, it's too low now. It has to go back up. Never went back up. Oh my god. That was a terrible one. But then recently, I've had some good ones on like the recent pop. I'm actually still sitting on a few Baba leaps right now, very small position. I only have about like $2,500 in it, but they're January 180 calls, and I've been in them for a minute. I'm up. I'm actually up decently on them. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but I'm up like $1,500 on these Baba leaps. Pretty nice. Not bad. Up 60%. Pretty cool. Nice push on YM, which is helping everything else. Should push ES, should continue to push this NQ. Just slow. Very, very slow. Reminder, everyone joining in, our next group coaching call is tonight. It is at 6:30 p.m. Eastern. You can join the Discord and join the call for free. Literally, you get 2-week free trial. It's the last day of the promo. So if you're interested in strong trading, group coaching, or just checking out the community in general, maybe you just want to check it out. Maybe you don't even know what it's about, or you're just, you have no idea, and you're curious. You want to find a community of people that you all fuck with. You obviously all hang out here in the live streams, so you fuck with that. It's like, come join the Discord, come join the community, check it out.
I'm back.
He's back. This does feel scammy, bro.
I told you this shit is weird. This shit's weird, bro.
Look at this, barely overshooting, like not even at priority high.
Bro, that shit's weird, bro. It's moving
Not even
weird,
at
bro.
priority high, bro.
I told you this shit is moving funny. It might still go. I'm not saying that it won't, but it's just
Yeah.
moving weird. It goes there.
Well, if this fails now for whatever reason, it's just a complete probability, like whatever. Like I just
Definitely. For
I'm
sure.
gonna be annoyed, but there's nothing I can do because I'm like, all right, dude, my stop's in a really good spot all the way down here. I'm gonna let it try to play out. Let's see if we get this 11 a.m. push through the highs. We have 9 minutes on the bar. My coaching budget is tied up with my crypto investing coach right now, but I really want to join. All I gotta say is I don't like that sentence. Number one, crypto investing coach. I'm just saying that. I'm not trying to give you shit. I don't like the sentence. I don't like the sentence. But if he's making you money, then God bless his soul.
I
Or
mean, the group coaching is only 127.
yeah, exactly. It's only $127 a month, and you get 2 weeks for free.
Come on now.
But fair enough. Fair enough.
Yeah, I'm not in the persuasion business, honestly. I'm just in the here's the offer, and this is a good offer,
Yeah.
and if you go,
Yeah.
you go. If you don't, you don't. I'm not really
I
much in the like I could sell, but I'm not.
mhm.
Is the best sales are normally the people that already know what they want. Like those are the best people to work with because it's like they already knew before they walked
Mhm.
in, and now we can work. If I got to persuade somebody to work, then
Dude, is this gonna grind higher or go sideways? What's going on? Come on. 8 more minutes till 11 a.m. Let's see what 11 a.m. brings us. That should up over 10x since 2020. Fuck yeah, dude. That's awesome. My craziest crypto story so far is I dollar cost average Solana when it dropped to $8. I bought $20 a day for like a whole year. And like then obviously it's fucking recovered insane up to like all-time highs. But that was crazy. My average cost on Solana, I'll pull it up. Let's see. Coinbase. Solana at $214 right now. My average cost is $17.42. My unrealized return is 1.1,000%. 1.1,000%. Pretty crazy. Just don't sell. Yeah, exactly. Don't sell. I wonder if this just slowly rolls over and dies. That would suck. That would just be so unfortunate. It feels like what it's doing is it wants to do that. Leave my stop, let it trade. See what she does. Nice recoveries on YM and RTY. That should help the gang.
I think I might enter long soon.
Okay.
It depends.
Where does your stop be?
848.
848. Okay. My entry.
As if I get in, I gotta see.
Okay.
This shit look like it's about to.
I don't like this increased volume on this push down here. That's what I don't like that. Paint drying. How you doing, Jay? Jay Carr. We got two J's in here. Jay Bowles and Jay Carr.
The J boys, the J brothers.
The J Bros.
Anybody with the name J?
I have a nice heavy week of lifting this week. I'm really excited to send it. Very excited to send it this week on lifting the weights. Sitting through this grind. Did you get long, Jay? Or are you flat? What's going on? What are you gonna do? Last 5-minute bar before 11 a.m. Long 8:50. Nice. Hi, does the group coaching have any prerequisite playbook on our own? No, it doesn't. No prerequisite for the group coaching. The group coaching sessions are very much like we have a topic that we go over every week, depending on what you guys vote on. We come up with like a list of topics every week. You guys vote on it. And then from there, it's either going to be like a psychology-based session or a technical-based session, again, depending on what you guys vote on. And we'll go over like little things here and there of what we want to initially bring up in the conversation, and then it's open Q&A. So it's like really like answering your questions, and then our goal is just really give you like tangible processes, because at Strong Trading, like that's what we focus on is, you know, the journaling, the playbooking, the reviewing, like finding tangible ways to be like, okay, how can you improve this habit or change this habit or understand the setup more or do whatever it is? Like, how can you do that? Right? Like, that's the idea. So yeah, you know, it's like if you're completely new to it, it's fine. You don't need like this prerequisite. We're here to answer questions. We're here to help. Let's go. Kevin's long 6506. Group coaching calls are fire. Yeah, Kevin's a man, dude. Dude, Lawrence, this dude, Kevin, one of my favorite newest clients I've signed one-on-one. He has a system. He pulled up his system for me. First of all, I love when clients do this. They go, hey, I have this like Loom video or this like PowerPoint presentation breaking down my system. Can we go over it? And I'm like, yes, you're doing the work. Thank you. So this guy has like this pivot point system thing. I've actually never seen it before. But of course, classic, like all the levels like line up with other levels that make sense to me and stuff. But like he's gone through it with me, and this system is like legit. It works pretty fucking well. And it's just like now it's just a matter of like executing it. So it's like, it's just so cool. It's just another example of like there's so many ways to skin the cat. If you find something that makes sense to you and works and clicks, then literally just roll with it and figure out how to refine it and, you know, all this type of things. So it's like pretty dope. I know Kevin's going to do really, really well. It's sick.
Yeah, no, I fuck with Kevin. He sent me a well document of his notes on Mark Douglas lectures. It was actually very thorough.
Yeah.
And he sent it the same weekend I was restudying it.
Fuck yeah. There you go. Look how that works out.
Wow. Good as shit.
Man, this is just really toying with us here.
Scammy, bro.
Super scammy, bro. I'm over the scam. Really not going to test prior day high right now. We're going to get this close. Scammy McScammerson.
Yeah, this shit's weird.
I don't like it, bro.
I told you that shit's moving funny, bro. That shit, I saw it. It was moving so funny.
I really dislike it. I really dislike this. Last minute here before fucking 11 a.m. What's this gonna do, bro? What's this gonna do, bro?
That was probably the sweep of the highs.
There's no level. Like it's like, yeah, it's not even at prior day high. All it did was just barely sweep these highs here. It's at like 80s. Pull back again. What is it going to sweep here? retest 850 again and then hold.
It may not even hold. Okay.
This is interesting.
Yeah, this is very interesting.
If you get a sweep here of 850s and it holds and then reclaims, that would be a really good entry, I think. Here's 30-second. Or just is this just a higher low to here, right?
Man, you want to talk about patience, brother?
Yeah, seriously, bro.
Call the cops, brother.
Call the cops.
Sister. You never seen that? It was a TikTok. It's hilarious.
Oh, you are on the TikTok, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My girl,
Yeah.
she sent my girl sent me TikTok and I just watch them.
Yeah, it's a rite of passage, dude. TikTok's mainly for the girls, like, you know, and then your girl will send you TikToks, you know, you brain rot here and there. Reels are for the boys.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You
Reels
know.
are for the homies. You're right. Yes, I know TikTok makes a lot of money because women are the spenders of the nation.
Yep.
They're very supportive. Like women are so supportive, bro.
Oh yeah.
Like guys, we support each other, but women really support each other.
Yeah.
Like if they start a business or like some type of did like a podcast or something, man.
Man, is this gonna just slowly bleed me out? Let's see. There we go. It's a little something, something. Give us a little something, something here more. This might be your entry. Look at this lower high in the 30-second. Lawrence model. Boom, boom.
That is. So if we break that neckline, that would be.
One more test here. Push above 63s.
Like 60, 64, 65-ish. Right there.
64s.
Yeah.
And
You also gotta be careful with the entry model because that might be it might be facing downward.
I know. This could be tricky.
Tricky.
Tricky. It's tricky. I'm gonna add one here. I'm adding.
Order filled.
Adding into weakness. That's how you're supposed to
Adding
do it.
into weakness, baby. Now my stop is what here? 26s. I like this 3-minute. If this 3-minute can engulf this here, this looks really good.
Tricky.
No. Yes. Yes. Hold the low. Hold it. Hold the line. Hold the line, baby. Hold the line, baby. I like this. I like this hold here. I'm gonna add one more.
Order filled.
I added one more.
I added one more.
You're gonna hold here. You're gonna hold here.
This is what the fuck you're gonna do.
You're gonna fucking hold here. You're gonna hold this.
I might have to fade you on the short in a second.
Okay.
It depends. I gotta wait for my entry model. My entry model saves me, bro. I'm telling you. It saves me from all the foolery.
Here's the 850s again. Look at that. One more spike down. Just failing to go lower.
Keeping me out of all the scamminess.
Hold here. Push higher. Rip through 66s.
Hold it.
Rip through 66. Come on.
Black
There we
power
go.
fit.
There we go.
Nice.
There we go.
Good shit, bro. $300 up. Trade well, guys. See you tomorrow. Bro.
Come on.
Take the short, Paris. What you waiting for? Take the short.
I like this 2 minute now. This 2 minute looks really good. If this can hold here, look at this 2 minute bar. If this can hold and close, I need this to close though. This can close like this, looks real good. Get through 66s. Get through 66. I said go up.
Didn't get there.
Oh, look who joined the chat.
What up?
The
My
King
guy.
Jew himself.
My guy.
My favorite Jew.
My
Ace
favorite
effect.
Jew.
Good morning. Good morning.
Oh my
Good morning.
goodness.
Good morning. That's what's good. www. The coolest Jew. You are. I'll give you that.
One day I just want to take Austin shades. I just want.
Oh, I know. Yeah, his orange ones.
Yeah, I just want to
Yeah.
like. They're cool.
Yeah.
I just want to.
Yeah. I'm stoked. We're all gonna be kicking it next month. That's gonna be so fun.
Yeah, that's gonna be cool.
That's gonna be dope. All right, we're getting some more momentum here through these 2 minute bars. Let's see if we can get fucking through this 70s, bro. The bullshit consolidation. Sometimes I like these 5 minute bars like this when they're kind of ugly and they're like, oh, it looks like it's gonna go lower, but then we end up holding like a base like this and then push through. You gotta see. Or I'm just gonna be fucking wrong. Who knows? Who knows? Don't ever yank my chain. Pause. Let's see. This is a nice slow Monday. Digestion.
This is a nice slow Monday, bro. Bro, I don't know. I don't
know about any of this shit, dude. This is just so slow. It's just really, really slow. It's one of those where I just don't let it trade.
No news Mondays.
Yeah.
No news Mondays. That's what this is.
Mondays. I know. I wonder, were we like really not going to take prior day high? Come on. This is trying so hard. Look at this consolidation zone, dude. It's fucking trying. It's fucking trying.
It is.
It's literally trying. It is trying. Can we get one more push through this? Back up. Just a little bit more. This ends up being the higher low right here. I love this little pin bar here on the 30-second. This failed attempt to go lower. That's where I kept adding in because I like that. If we lose that, I'm going to be concerned.
Oh my goodness.
Wow. This is just really fucking dirt. No, don't lose it. Yep, hold it. Yep.
Hold it.
Yep. Wow. Real slow. Real slow. Whole lot of nothing. Digestion. Again, I like this 2 minute low. That's the only thing that's like keeping me a little excited right now. Of like this might still just grind up and go through all of this. We hold that 2 minute low.
I don't know. I'm kind of. I'm a little short bias right now.
I'm gonna bank on this wick. And these.
Put it all on the wick.
Put it all on the wick. Put it all on the wick.
KB asked you a question.
Oh, what's up? Tanner, is that overnight VWAP on your chart or is that the anchor or what anchor? That is the 24-hour VWAP. Let me zoom out all the way. right here, 24-hour VWAP. So the one that starts at session open from Sunday, yeah, from yesterday. Let it shoot to the moon. Give us a goddamn direction. I know, dude. It's just one of those slow ones. It's just Mondays, no news. Like, this is exactly the type of action they want you to like get really confused about. But I gotta stay objective in these scenarios. Objectively speaking, we've held all the VWAPs multiple times. So I'm like, this should kind of cruise up into.
All right, this is a good long here.
Yeah, this looks way more decent now. What's your target if you're going to take it? I like this a lot now. Can I add more and just put my stop basically right here?
Order filled.
Keep moving up my stop a little bit. Here, what was it, 320-ish, something like that. One more push, my friends. Come on, keep going. No, don't reject 880s.
I couldn't answer, bro. This today just seems I couldn't. I was thinking so hard. That's why I didn't answer your question. I was really thinking.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's just this whole day. I mean, that's a good long. This is a good long entry, but it's just like
Not with this
I don't know.
rejection now. Is this going to fucking take this out? Again, I love this little tail here. Once it's the hold is the low. This should honestly, I feel like I just moved to break even because I like if this gets invalidated, this is just a waste. I feel like I'm going to do that actually. I'm going to move to here, like a really tight stop.
Mhm.
Add one more.
Order filled.
Let's see. Because if this breaks, it's just like this is just invalidated for me. Well, we have the 850
Sure.
actually. Probably something like this. 844. We shouldn't lose 850 again. That's kind of my idea. This 850 needs to hold. This just kind of grinds out of this. Problem is now, God, this time, dude, just like what time it is. Like, I feel like I need to take some off into prior day high. Like the actual sweep of it if we get it. Damn, ES is just straight up like a rocket.
Yeah, it's
YM about to
going.
take high a day. Holy shit. Crazy reversal on YM. Let's see. I summoned it. You did summon it. Thanks, bro. Keep summoning Ripper candles to the upside. Please. God bless you. $30-minute chart looks great. It does. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. See, as long as we don't lose this low. So I'm saying I don't feel like we should lose 850s now. I really don't think we should lose it. This should just go.
Okay, I'm long.
It's just gonna be slow. Black boy, my question is, are you completely have different strategies? Me and Lawrence, yeah, we do trade a bit different. That we do. Okay, let's see. Can we get a fucking rip here, please? For the boys. Can we get a rip higher here, please? Oh, dude, I need to make food soon. I got a fucking busy morning. I got shit to do. My light just died. Come on, dog. Just fucking go.
Nah, I shouldn't have took this shit, bro. I knew it. I thought about it too much. Yeah, this shit going short, bro. I fucking knew it. I knew it. I
Don't
did.
say that, bro.
No, I did, bro. I really did, bro. I mean, I hope I'm wrong because I'm here, of course. But like, I was just so hesitant. I was just so
I'm
hesitant.
banking on this fucking wick.
Nah, I'm out. Fuck it. I'm out. I'll cut the tree early. I'm done. I'll take the $230 loss. I'm not doing that.
Okay.
Fuck that shit. I don't even know why I did that shit. Fucking retarded.
It happens.
And even if it does work out, that's not how I want to win anyway. I just want to be
Fine.
confident in what I'm doing.
That's fine. It is a low confidence day. For sure.
Yeah, I'll take the L. Fuck it.
Hold me, Wick. Wick, hold. No. No. Hold it. Hold it. No. Uh-uh. 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 Mm-mm. Yep. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Mm-hmm. Yep. That's what I want to see. Right back out, down in the consolidation zone. They buy it here. This is the new low. Yep. 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 Come on. Come on. Hold the line. Hold it. Yep. Nope. I see your win/losses. Looks like you don't do break evens. What happens to your mindset when the trade gets close to take profit and stop out? I go on tilt and fucking get upset. That's what happens. No, I mean just system wise, depends how close it is. Sometimes it's super, super close to take profit, and I'll just cut it. But it's like if it has enough breathing room, I'm like, nah, I can't cut it. These fucking guys, bro. These fucking okay, 2-minute reclaim this bar. You got to do that. Back to 860s and hold. Okay. This is about to be done. Yep. That's it. That's it. It's about to be done. About to be cooked. This is coming all the way down to VWAP again. Fuck me, dude. Fuck these guys. Fuck trading. Fuck everything.
It's just bad, bro. That's why I cut my shit early. Told you, scammy.
Yeah, so
Scammy.
bro.
Scammy, man. Lawrence, what have you done to be able to develop the discipline to stick to one trade a day? I took it as a challenge. I'm a very competitive person. I'm not really competitive with other people. I think I'm more competitive with myself. So I took it as a challenge. Like, am I able to do it? Right? Because that's very hard. If you think about it, like one trade a day is very tough, bro. Like it is. Like you get one shot, you have incomplete data. You got to make sure you know what you're looking for. You got to know what you're willing to pass up. You got to know what you're willing to take. Like it's tough. So I just looked at it as a challenge for real, and just to see how long I can do it and stick to it. And yeah, that's what helped me out.
All right. Fuck this. I'm about to be out of here.
Yeah, I'm done.
I gotta go make food.
Yeah, I cut my shit. I knew it. Scammy. I told you. I called this. Scammy, man. Scammy as hell.
All right, dude. This is just ridiculous, bro. Fucking ridiculous, bro. Yeah, I'm done. All right. Well, another shitty session in the books. Fucking, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Order filled.
Later.
See ya,
I'm out.
boys, tomorrow.
Peace. Done. Later. Fuck this.
L's. But I minimize my L.